Hello grade 9 students. Our lesson today is about algebraic expressions. In this lesson, we are going to explain how to calculate the area of a geometric figure using algebraic expressions. But first, we have to recall the areas of some figures. First, the area of a rectangle ABC, it is equal to height times base over 2. The height is AB and the base is BC. So the area of this rectangle is equal to AB times BC over 2. The area of the square ABCD, it is equal to side square, يعني equal to AB squared. Area of a rectangle ABCD is equal to length times width. يعني it is equal to AB times BC or DC times AD. Area of a trapezoid ABCD. In a trapezoid, we have a large base DC and a small base AB. The area of this trapezoid is equal to height times the sum of the bases, the small base and the large base, over 2. يعني it is equal to AD times DC plus AB over 2. Let's take this example. In this example, we have x is a positive real number, يعني any number positive. We have a triangle ABC. The base BC is equal to x times 8 and the height AH is equal to x. First, express the area of the triangle ABC in terms of x. And then we have to calculate x so that the area of this triangle is equal to 8. First question. The area of the triangle ABC is equal height times base over 2. The height is AH times the base BC over 2. The height is x and the base is 8 is x times 8 over 2. This is the area. Now, calculate x so that the area of this triangle is equal to 8. لما قلنا so that يعني this is given. So we write the area of triangle ABC is equal to 8. The area is x into x plus 8 over 2 is equal to 8. Cross multiplication, we get x squared plus 8x equals to 16. To solve this equation, take x to the first side, it is equal to 0. This is of the form a minus b quantity squared. So, x minus 4 quantity squared is equal to 0. Then x minus 4 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 4. Another example, this example is from 2016 first session. We have an expression e of x. It is equal to 3x plus 1 into 2x minus 1 minus 3x plus 1 into x plus 1. First, I'll show that e of x is equal to 3x plus 1 into x minus 2. يعني he asked to find e of x in the factorized form. Part 2, solve the equation e of x equal to 0. In part 3, we have a figure. This figure is of a triangle ABCD, where AB is equal to 3x plus 1 and BC is 2x minus 1. But pay attention that the length x is in centimeter and it is greater than 1. The triangle ABM is right at B, and we have MB is equal to 2 into x plus 1. Denote by, يعني let S be the area of the rectangle ABCD and S prime the area of ABM. First, he wants ask for s and s prime in terms of x. Express s and s prime in terms of x. Part B, verify that s minus s prime is equal to e of x. And last, calculate x so that s equal s prime. First question, show that e of x is equal to 3x plus 1 into x minus 1. The expression is e of x equal 3x plus 1 into 2x minus 1 minus into 3x plus 1 into x plus 1. As we said that it is required to factorize e of x, to write it in the factorized form. So we have to take common in this expression, which is 3x plus 1. Then take 3x plus 1 as a common factor. We get 3x plus 1 into 2x minus 1 minus into x plus 1. Calculate this expression to get e of x equal 3x plus 1 into x minus 2. Then he asked to solve the equation e of x equals to 0. So we take the factorized form of e of x. 3x plus 1 into x minus 2 equals to 0. Take each factor equal to 0 to solve this equation. يعني 3x plus 1 equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. Solving each one, we get x equal minus 1 over 3 or x equals to 2. In this part, we have to find or to express s and s prime in terms of x, where s is the area of the rectangle ABCD and s prime is the area of the triangle ABM. We said that the area of the rectangle is equal to length times width. The length is AB and the width is BC. So s is equal to 3x plus 1 into 2x minus 1. Don't expand it, leave it as it is. Now, the area of the triangle is s prime. It is equal to height times base over 2 or base times height over 2. Then s prime is equal to bm, which is the height, times the base AB over 2. This is equal to 2 into x plus 1, this is bm, and AB is 3x plus 1 over 2. Simplify it, we get s prime is equal to x plus 1 into 3x plus 1. Also, don't expand it. Now, verify that s minus s prime is equal to e of x. يعني show that s minus s prime is equal to e of x. We have s is calculated as 3x plus 1 into 2x minus 1. And s prime is 3x plus 1 into x plus 1. We write s minus s prime equal 3x plus 1 into 2x minus 1 minus 3x plus 1 into x plus 1. If you notice that this is the same as the given expression e of x, so we can write s minus s prime is equal to e of x. Now, calculate x so that s is equal to s prime. قلنا so that يعني given. So you write s equal s prime. Solve this equation. To solve this equation, we have to take s prime to the other side. So we get s minus s prime equal to 0. From the previous part, we find that s minus s prime is e of x. So e of x equals to 0. And e of x was solved and find that x is equal to minus 1 over 3 or x is equal to 2. This was solved in part 2. But we have given that x is greater than 1. So the answer x equal minus 1 over 3 is rejected because x is given greater than 1. and minus 1 over 3 is negative. So the accepted answer is x equals to 2.